You won't believe the shocking secrets hidden in space. Fact 1. Jupiter is so huge that all the planets in our solar system could fit inside it.
Ooh.
Fact 2. Sound cannot travel in space, so astronauts use radio waves to communicate. Fact 3. If you cry in space, your tears float in your eyes because there is no gravity. Fact 4. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, has around 100 to 400 billion stars, and each star has its own planets. Fact 5. Space is so vast that we have only explored 5% of the universe. If you enjoyed these shocking facts, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.